What if one of the biggest myths about money is the belief that smart people automatically become wealthy? Think about it. We all know people who are incredibly intelligent. They got good grades, they went to good schools, they have impressive degrees, they're knowledgeable, hardworking, and respected. Yet somehow, many of them are still struggling financially. Meanwhile, there are people who weren't the top students, people who never had perfect grades, people who weren't considered the smartest in the room, yet they quietly built wealth. How is that possible? Shouldn't intelligence automatically lead to financial success? Most people think so. But the truth is far more interesting. Because wealth and intelligence are connected, but they are not the same thing. And understanding the difference could completely change your financial future. Today we're going to explore why many smart people stay broke, why average people sometimes become wealthy, and the lessons that can help you avoid the same trap. And the first reason may surprise you. Reason number 1. Schools reward knowledge, but wealth rewards behavior. From a young age, we're taught that success comes from having the right answers. Study hard, pass the test, get the grade, move to the next level, and that's valuable. Knowledge matters, education matters, learning matters, but money works differently. Financial success is often less about what you know and more about what you consistently do. Think about it. Most people already know they should save money. Most people know debt can be dangerous. Most people know investing is important. The problem usually isn't information. The problem is behavior. Because knowledge without action changes nothing. A person can read 20 books about fitness and never exercise. A person can read 20 books about money and never build wealth. And that's where many intelligent people get stuck. They keep learning, keep researching, keep planning, but never take action. Meanwhile, someone with less knowledge starts investing, starts saving, starts building assets, and over time those actions create results. Reason number 2, smart people often overthink everything. This one is surprisingly common. Intelligent people are often excellent at spotting risks. They can see potential problems, potential mistakes, potential failures, and that's useful until it becomes a problem. Imagine 2 people learning about investing. The first person studies every detail, every risk, every possibility, every market prediction. Months pass, then years, and they still haven't started. The second person learns the basics, makes a reasonable plan, starts small, and begins building experience. Who is more likely to make progress? Usually the person who took action. Because in the real world, imperfect action often beats perfect planning. Many smart people become trapped by analysis. They wait for certainty. But financial success rarely offers certainty. There will always be risks. There will always be unknowns. The goal isn't to eliminate every risk. The goal is to make informed decisions and move forward anyway. Reason number 3, smart people often chase income instead of wealth. This is one of the biggest mistakes. Many intelligent people become experts in their careers. Doctors, lawyers, engineers, professionals. And because they're talented, their income often increases. But something unexpected happens. They become so focused on earning money that they never learn how to build wealth. Those are not the same thing. Income is what you earn. Wealth is what you keep and grow. A person earning $250,000 a year can still be financially stressed. A person earning far less can still be building wealth. Because wealth isn't determined by income alone. It's determined by what happens after the paycheck arrives. And that's where the next lesson becomes critical. Because the biggest reason smart people stay broke has nothing to do with intelligence. It has everything to do with a hidden trap that affects millions of people. A trap so common that most people don't even realize they're caught in it. So far, we've talked about knowledge, overthinking, and the difference between income and wealth. But now we're about to discuss the reasons that quietly trap some of the smartest people in the world. And the next one is surprisingly common. Reason number 4. Lifestyle inflation disguises itself as success. Imagine someone spends years working hard. They get promoted. Their income increases. Their career is finally paying off. At first, everything looks great. Then something happens. The nicer apartment, the luxury car, the expensive vacations, the premium subscriptions, the designer lifestyle. None of these purchases seem unreasonable on their own, but together, they create a problem. Every increase in income gets matched by an increase in spending. The paycheck grows, but wealth doesn't. And because the person is earning more money than ever before, they often don't realize what's happening. From the outside, they look successful. From the inside, they're still dependent on the next paycheck. This is one of the biggest financial traps smart people fall into, because intelligence often helps people earn more. But earning more and building wealth are not the same thing. The wealthy understand something many people miss. Income creates opportunity, but assets create freedom. Reason number 5, ego can become a financial weakness. This one is uncomfortable, but it's important. Smart people are used to being right. They're used to solving problems. They're used to being respected for their knowledge. And sometimes that creates a hidden danger. They stop learning. Or worse. They believe intelligence alone will protect them from financial mistakes. But the market doesn't care about your degree. Debt doesn't care how smart you are. Poor financial decisions don't become good decisions because an intelligent person made them. In fact, some highly intelligent people make expensive mistakes because they're too confident. They assume they can predict outcomes. They assume they're different. They assume the rules don't apply to them. The most financially successful people often remain students forever. They keep learning, they stay humble, and they understand that money rewards good decisions, not ego. Reason number 6. Smart people underestimate the power of compound growth. This may be the most expensive mistake of all, because it doesn't hurt today. It hurts years later. Many intelligent people focus on big breakthroughs, big promotions, big investments, big opportunities. But wealth is often built through something much less exciting. Consistency, small amounts invested regularly, small improvements repeated over time, small habits that compound. The problem is that compound growth feels slow at the beginning, very slow, so slow that many people lose interest. They don't see dramatic results, so they stop. But those who stay consistent eventually reach a point where growth starts accelerating. And that's when everyone else thinks they got lucky, but it wasn't luck, it was patience. The wealthy often understand that time can be more powerful than money, because time allows good decisions to multiply. What should you do instead? If intelligence alone doesn't create wealth, what does? Let's keep it simple. First, learn the basics of money. Not just how to earn it. Learn how to save it, invest it, protect it, and grow it. Second, take action before you feel completely ready. You don't need perfect knowledge to start making better financial decisions. You just need enough knowledge to take the next step. Third, focus on assets. The goal isn't just to earn money. The goal is to build things that continue creating value over time. Fourth, think long-term. Most people overestimate what they can achieve in a month and underestimate what they can achieve in 10 years. That's why patience is such a powerful financial advantage. Now let's bring everything together. The reason smart people stay broke isn't because they're not intelligent enough. It's because intelligence alone is not the skill that builds wealth. Wealth is often built through behavior. Discipline, consistency, patience, long-term thinking, and the willingness to take action. The person who knows everything about money but does nothing will usually lose to the person who knows the basics and applies them consistently. That's the lesson. Knowledge is powerful, but applied knowledge is life-changing. So before this video ends, ask yourself one question. Am I using my intelligence to build wealth, or am I simply using it to understand wealth? Because understanding is the beginning. But action is what changes your future. Thank you for watching Money-Wise Stories. If you found value in this video, subscribe for more lessons about personal finance, wealth building, financial freedom, and the psychology of money. And remember, smart money, smarter future.